students, in previous lecture we have studied the history of classification of elements in brief. Scientist Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, studied the broader range of physical and chemical properties of the elements, and on the basis of his study he gave law for the classification of elements, which is called as Mendeleev's periodic law. The statement of this Mendeleev's periodic law is as the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. But in 1913, scientist Henry Moseley, on the basis of X-ray spectroscopic study of large number of elements, proved that atomic number is a more fundamental property of an element than the atomic mass. And Moseley modified Mendeleev's periodic law, which is called as modern periodic law. The statement of this modern periodic law is as the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Okay. So, Henry Moseley also revised the periodic table given by Mendeleev, which is called as modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. So, in today's lecture, we are going to study the structure of modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. See here, students, this is our modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. This modern periodic table depends upon modern periodic law. This modern periodic table, it consists of some horizontal rows. See here, there are some horizontal rows and also there are some vertical columns. या periodic table मध्ये काही आडव्या ओळी आपल्याला दिसतात आणि काही आपल्याला उभे कॉलम सुद्धा दिसतात. The horizontal rows of the modern periodic table, they are called as periods. Modern periodic table मध्ये ज्या आडव्या ओळी दिसतात त्यांना periods असं म्हटलं जातं. There are total 7 periods. See here, this is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So total 7 periods are present, and according to IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, these periods, they are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Then this modern periodic table consists of vertical columns. These vertical columns are nothing but the groups. There are total 1, 2, 3 up to 18 groups. And according to IUPAC, they are numbered as 1, 2, 3 up to 18. Now, see here, in this periodic table, the intersection of horizontal rows and vertical columns, they forms the number of boxes. या periodic table मध्ये periods आणि groups यांच्या intersection मुळे बरेचसे असे boxes तयार झालेले आहेत. These boxes are the places for the elements. So in this modern periodic table, by the intersection of periods and groups, total 118 boxes are formed. So in this periodic table, total 118 elements are placed. Now see here, all the elements of this modern periodic table, they are classified into 4 blocks. These 4 blocks are S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and A block elements. We will see the position of these 4 different types of blocks in this periodic table. S block elements, they are placed at the extreme left side within the group first and second. पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये एक्स्ट्रीम लेफ्ट साइडला पहिल्या दोन ग्रुप मध्ये एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स दाखवलेले आहेत. At the extreme right side between the group 13, 14 up to 18, here P block elements are placed. Between S and P, at the middle between the group 3 to 12, here D block elements are placed. And at the bottom of the periodic table, see here, there are two rows of 14 elements each. पिरियडिक टेबलच्या बॉटमला या ठिकाणी प्रत्येकी 14 एलिमेंटचे आपल्याला दोन सेपरेट ओळी दिसत आहेत. फर्स्ट series is lanthanide series and the second series is actinide series. This lanthanide and actinide series together form the L block elements. So today we study the structure of the modern periodic table. We also study the position of 4 different types of elements in the modern periodic table. See here, the modern periodic table, it consists of periods and groups. Periods are the horizontal rows of modern periodic table. There are total 7 periods. Now see here, each period it consists of series of the elements which having same outermost shell or valency shell. एका पिरियड मधल्या सर्व एलिमेंटची outermost shell सारखी असते. A period consists of series of elements which having same outermost shell or valency shell. Okay? And the groups, the vertical columns of the periodic table, they are called as groups. Vertical columns of periodic table are called groups. There are total 18 groups. Now see here, a group consists of series of the elements which having same electronic configuration of outermost shell or valency shell. एका ग्रुप मधल्या सर्व एलिमेंटच्या outermost shellचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन हे सारखं असतं. So group consists of series of elements which having same electronic configuration of outermost shell. Thus, today we study the structure of modern periodic table. Thank you.